Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you a quick and easy way to add a shortcut to your favorite page in Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your PC. Step 2. Look up to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 little dots. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. In the drop-down menu, find the More Tools option. Click on it to open up a secondary menu with additional tools. Step 4. From the secondary menu, click on Create Shortcut. This will prompt a dialog box to appear. Now, you can customize the name for your shortcut and choose where you want to place it. Once you're done, click on Create to add the shortcut to your favorite page in Chrome. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing with your new shortcuts.